Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of great Allah Almighty, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful, who is our compassionate and sustainer, and whose blessings are so profound which we can't measure. Students, good afternoon. I'm Tauqeer Abid, and here I'm speaking from the floor of ICET Academy. Students, as you know that here we are going to start about telling the feature of grammar skills. In spoken English course, grammar skill is very important, and today we will learn about sentence. As it is written here that a sentence is a group of words which is used to tell full meanings. Secondly, it starts with a capital letter and ends on a full stop. Example: Anam is my student. Here you are looking that A is capital and it ends on a full stop. It means that it's a sentence. Secondly, it is also giving us a full meaning of it. Students, this is very important that we should know about the use of sentence, because if we are able to make sentences, then we can carry on our language in a good way. Students, here then we will discuss about types of a sentence. There are 4 types of sentence. First is affirmative sentence. Second is interrogative sentence. Third is imperative sentence. And fourth is exclamatory sentence. So first of all, here in this video, in this lesson, you should know about that there are 4 types of sentence: affirmative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Basically, this is the introduction of sentence, and in our next video we shall tell about the details related to the types of sentences.